Hello everyone. Let's solve problem C of Educational Code Forces round 115. Let's first understand the problem statement. In problem statement, we are given an array of length n. Suppose the average of all of the n elements is equal to k. Then we want to find number of pairs ij such that I is less than j. If we will remove the elements ai and aj, then the average of remaining n minus 2 elements should be equals to k. We have to find the number of such pairs. Now let's see it with an example. Let's see example 1. The average of this array is 8 because all of the elements are 8 only. Now we can remove element at index 0 and 1 forming a pair. This element is forming pair with this element and this element. We get this as first pair, this as second pair, this as third pair, and it can also pair with previous three elements. It can pair with this, it can pair with this, it can pair with this. So here we get plus 3 pairs more. So we get total of 6 such pairs. Now, now in example 2, we can see that average is 4. Here also we can pair 1 and 7 or 3 or 5. If we will pair 1 and 7, then we are left with 4, 3 and 5, whose average is also equals to 4. So we are getting same average. Now if we will remove 3 and 5, if we will remove 3 and 5, then we get 1, 4 and 7. And average of 1, 4 and 7 is again equals to 4. 1 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 3 will be 4. So here we are getting two pairs, 1 and 7 and 3 and 5. So here we are getting two pairs. Now let's see in general how we will be solving it. Let's say this is the array we are given and we have reached the index j. Now we want to find the number of elements by which this element aj can form pair with. We want to find number of elements with which aj can pair with. So let's try to see it mathematically. Let sum be the total sum of array. It is the total sum of array. Now if we will remove ai and aj from it, then we will left with n minus 2 elements. So that's the average of remaining element and that's the average of all elements. After that, if we will try to solve for ai, then we will get ai as 2 into sum upon n minus aj. Now one thing we notice is that each ai we will be having is an integer. So this needs to be an integer also, because difference of two integers will be an integer. So 2 into sum percent n should be equal to 0. If it is giving some remainder, then it means we can never find any ai for any value of aj. So now let's try to solve it. Let's see the coding part. Firstly, we have taken the number of elements of array. Then we are initializing total sum of elements of array is 0. Then we are taking input of all elements and increasing sum by element. After it we will get total sum. If 2 into sum percent n is lefting a remainder, then we know that answer will be 0 because we cannot find any AI for any value of aj. Then answer equals to 0. Then we are taking, it is for storing frequency of elements we have got till now. We are moving to each element. In answer, 2 into sum minus aj is the value of ai we are looking for. So we are increasing our answer with the frequency of number of ai below aj, which are having frequency 2 into sum by n minus aj. After that we are increasing the frequency by the we are increasing the frequency of current element at which we are, and that's the answer. And that's the answer we are printing. That's it. Thanks for watching.